In this video, I will show you how to play and mine on Hamster Kombat. The first thing first, Hamster Kombat is not a clicker or tapping game. It's a crypto exchange CEO simulator. You play as the head of a virtual crypto exchange. It's not a competition or a race. Focus is on community and unity. There are two main ways to join. Go to official website hamstercomp.io or join the official Telegram group, which is actually the biggest Telegram group ever. You'll start interacting with the in-game bot from there. Ask a friend who's already playing to send you their referral link from the friends section of their game. When you join through this link, you'll get bonus coins to kickstart your exchange faster. To get started in the game, take time to explore the layout and understand how your exchange operates. These tasks help you build your initial capital. Once completed, you'll have enough to start expanding. To buy cards in the mine section, choose the most profitable cards to increase your earnings over time. Don't forget to use all your available boosts throughout the day. This will help you grow your balance and expand your operations faster. So that's pretty much everything you need to know to get started with Hamster Combat. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.